Hey guys, so I'm back with a new video and I did a spring look. We all know winter this year has had some terrible storms and I wanted to bring some spring vibes. So I did this makeup look. And if you would like to see how I got this look, and I tried out a new foundation, the NYX foundation, the Can't Stop Won't Stop. You'll see my thoughts on that. So this video is a little bit random, just chit chat and me just being me. So it's not a proper tutorial. If you would like a proper tutorial, let me know. And if you want the details on this wig, it's just from my first wig. I'm not sure of the name. I think it's Christian, but I could be wrong. And I will link it down below. It's not sponsored or anything. I haven't worn this. This is like literally my first time I've worn it since I got it like in May. But yes, so if you'd like to see this look and the products that I use, let me know. If you're new to this channel, my name is Kimoja. Hi. Don't forget to leave a comment on what you think about my makeup look. And my wig is not secured in this video. Don't come for me. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new to this channel or my videos. We always love more people in this family. I with this Pond's lotion. It's an anti-wrinkle and it's not like probably a proper moisturizer, but I misplaced mine right now and I don't want to go in my room. It smells so good because my husband is putting my babies to sleep. And this is the only time that I get to do videos with a 1 and 3-year-old. My other two are at their dad's. I'm going to moisturize my lips with my favorite Vaseline. I either like these ones or the tin ones right now. I'm going to use these ones. Is it weird that I lick my lips before I put on lip stuff, like lip balm? I don't know. I feel like I have to moisturize it in order to put moisturizer on. I don't. Now I am going to use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop primer. I feel like people outside can see all my lights. And I keep looking in my window and I'm upstairs. It's really weird. And ignore this. I was doing my eyebrows off camera a while ago because I suck at it. So that's why that's on my hand. I'm gonna go in with this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop primer. It is so hard to squeeze out. There we go. And I'm gonna use a lot of this because your girl is oily as ever. Ooh. And it says to pat dry it, but or to pat it in. Feels really weird. I feel like I'm missing like a bunch of spots because it just soaks right up. Drop my lid. Okay, I think that's good enough. As long as what is rubbing off on my face. Let me make sure that didn't act funny. Sometimes when you mix like a moisturizer with a primer, it can curdle, and that's exactly what that just did. That's why I said it probably wasn't a proper moisturizer. I'm just gonna brush it all off. There we go. So it was like curdling on my face. Sometimes when you mix two different like chemicals, I guess, together, it can curdle. Learned that in makeup and hair school, but I guess I didn't listen. So now I'm going to go in with the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. Hopefully this is my color. I've tried it once and I wasn't so sure, but let's see how it looks in the lights. Hopefully this video comes out properly. I'm just gonna squirt some, probably didn't need that much, on the back of my hand. Feels weird doing this with my mirror so far away. I have one here, but it's big and yeah. Okay. So I'm not gonna lie, when I tried this NYX brush, I don't know if it's real hair. I don't think it is. I think that they're cruelty free. I don't know. I don't see a bunny on their stuff. I don't know. So I don't know if this is real hair or fake hair. I'm not a makeup brush genius, but I broke out the last time I tried it. But it could have been just because my skin is dry. So I'm just gonna use my mirror down here. So if you see me looking down here, it's because I have this. Remember, my wig is not secure, guys, so don't drag me. Okay, this foundation. Seems a little red for me. I never usually use brushes, so I'm gonna just go in with my IT Cosmetics sponge. I feel like this is way too wet. Not. I'm probably gonna speed this part up. Ooh, that pushed back my wig. I pushed back my wig. Red. Okay, I look like a red pepper. You think that's too red? I am going to go in with my Little Ponies palette that I haven't used yet. It's by ColourPop. It's My Little Pony and ColourPop mix. And I am going to use a brown out of my NYX eyeshadow base. Just a very small amount because sometimes I can get carried away. I'm pretty sure everyone knows what primer eyeshadow base is. It just helps the eyeshadow go on, helps the blend. And as for our colored girls, it also helps the color sometimes, depending on what colors you're using, show up better. Some people like to put it to their eyebrow. I can't do that because I don't even honestly like putting eyeshadow up that high. Make sure, just get it all down there. Make sure it's all blended. So now we're just gonna go back in with Chocolate Hill palette, and we're just going to use this one right here for a transitioning shade. I'm sorry, I can't do both at the same time. It's not the point of a transitioning shade to be a harsh color. It's just to help the colors blend in better. And I don't know why I'm singing today. This isn't a proper tutorial. This is just what I do for my spring look. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this color right here. That one's called Starshine. We're only gonna go like almost to the corner because I'm gonna do a different shade on the outer. I am going to go in with this purple right here. Is this one? And this one is called Sky Dancer. I loved those toys growing up. My dad, I don't know where he got them, but he'd always get us a bunch of them. We had a ton of Sky Dancers, and they were just the coolest things a little girl can have. So I'm just gonna go here, blend it on. line that we used before and kind of clean this up. So I'm not doing any eyeliner to this because I want this to be a nice flirty rather than a glamorous look. So I'm done with this palette. Whoa. Okay. Usually for concealer, I use the LA Pro in the color Fawn, but I bought the NYX HD one in caramel. One. Yes. If you'd like to go by number, those were the numbers, but it's the shade caramel. Caramel, schmaramel. So we're just going to go under the eyes. Now we're just cleaning. But I can't find it, so I'm just gonna go in with this. Some of the shades are missing because I had to use it for my state boards test for my cosmetology license. So yeah, I don't know what shade this is, but we're gonna go on in with this one right here. I feel like I need to add just a little bit of color in my cheeks because of the foundation or concealer being a little bit ashy, just a little bit. I'm gonna squeeze my brush. My wig is not secure. I know y'all saw that. Just the littlest amount. There we go. Yeah, now we got some definition over there. I see you. I see you. Okay. Same thing. This is so awkward going on the other side. My left hand can't do shit, y'all. It cannot, so I don't trust it. Add a little bit of the hill. Hide that double chin, girl. Also hide that. We don't want that to show. A little bit over here. Not too much. I just probably put too much, but we're gonna work with that. Gotta put that color back in our face. Gotta put that. Oh, my wig's just probably showed security, but long story short, I bought this wig probably in like May 2018. On camera it looks good, but when I look at it in person, I'm seeing like a lot of red areas. So I'm gonna hit this up with my Makeup Forever HD foundation just a little tiny bit, just to get rid of whatever those little, I feel like just around this area is weird. I don't know, maybe that's just me. I'm not perfect at makeup. I graduated in 2016 and I wasn't a makeup junkie. I just kind of started because I had a friend that was in makeup, and then I started trying it. So yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna go with what my bathroom mirror says. My bathroom mirror says I look damn good. So that's what we're gonna go with. I drop everything, but I feel like that concealer made me look a little masky, but then again, it looks so good in the mirror. I don't know what it is. maybe it's the lighting here. Lashes, the blowout lashes. I haven't used these in, I haven't put on lashes for a minute. So I'm not gonna put my lip gloss on yet. I just want to scrub the skin off so we have a smooth application. So now I am going to get to my lashes. This little tiny glue, it comes with the Allure lashes, but I'm just gonna use it on here because my duo glue is being weird. I haven't used it in a minute anyways, so that's probably why. Hopefully I can get these on for the video instead of having to pause the video and do it. But my eyelashes are very curly, so it's hard to not accidentally glue an eyelash to my eyelid, which I've done before. And yeah. So, mascara. My favorite mascara of all time is Urban Decay. I do this to uncurl my lashes. Just swoop it from the top, because if you have curly eyelashes, that's the trick. To uncurl them. Come on, hairs. Well, that was quick. These lashes are long. Right. Good. Now I'm just gonna let those dry. So I'm going in with Too Faced Social Butterfly by Jordan Woods. We all know who she is, Kylie Jenner's best friend. And that's it, because for springtime, I just like to wear either mauve or a gloss. So that is it for my video on my spring look. And this is what I came up with so far. Get my hair in the shot from my first wig, y'all. I'm just talking to myself in this video. I have no life. No friends. I have no life. But this is a look that I came up with to bring those spring vibes on. I know it's not spring, but nowhere near close. It's just all white outside. This is what I do for an easy spring look. Done this look before and I love it. I'm not sure about this foundation. I feel like this foundation looks too red for me. It's cinnamon, it's warm mahogany. What's funny about that is, if I wasn't adopted, that would have been my middle name, but it's